You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Wow. Let's learn how to pronounce those two words, probably the most challenging pronunciation video I've made so far. So let's go. The top word here is pronounced as heterotroph. That's the more British English pronunciation, or the plural heterotrophs. Those organisms that cannot produce their own food. Heterotroph. Now the Americans say it as heterotrophs. Heterotrophs. British English again, heterotrophs. The bottom word in British English is pronounced as autotrophs. Autotrophs, or in American English, autotrophs. Then you're going to have slightly different pronunciations. Autotrophs, autotrophs. There are different ways of pronouncing it depending on your local accent, okay? But listen carefully again to how I've been saying those, and you'll get it. You'll get the right pronunciation. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.